The pursuit of enhanced engine performance is a constant in automotive culture, often driven by the desire to push beyond factory limitations and gain a competitive edge. Stock configurations prioritize a balance of emissions, fuel economy, and longevity, often leaving significant performance on the table. However, a range of engine upgrades offers enthusiasts immediate benefits, from increased horsepower and torque to sharper throttle response, creating a noticeable performance gap for those who remain with stock setups. This has led to a rush for specific modifications that unlock an engine's true potential. One of the most impactful upgrades in this pursuit is the implementation of forced induction systems, either through turbochargers or superchargers. Naturally aspirated engines, limited by atmospheric pressure, can only inhale a finite amount of air. Forced induction systems, however, compress and force more air into the combustion chambers, dramatically increasing the air-fuel mixture available for ignition. This results in substantial gains in horsepower and torque, often doubling the power output in some applications. The immediate benefit is enhanced acceleration, improved passing ability, and a heightened throttle response that fundamentally changes the driving experience. However, introducing forced induction generates significant heat. The compressed air from a turbocharger or supercharger becomes hot and less dense, reducing its oxygen content. This is where an upgraded intercooler becomes critical. An intercooler acts as a heat exchanger, cooling the compressed air before it enters the engine. Cooler, denser air contains more oxygen, leading to more efficient combustion and greater power output. Beyond raw power, an upgraded intercooler improves engine reliability by managing higher temperatures and resisting heat soak, which can otherwise lead to power loss during sustained aggressive driving. Without a robust intercooler, the full potential of forced induction remains constrained, and the risk of detonation increases. Complementing forced induction and intercooler upgrades, a high-performance fuel system is non-negotiable for safety and optimal performance. Stock fuel systems are designed for factory power levels and often cannot keep pace with the increased demand from boosted engines or aggressive tuning. Upgrades typically involve high-flow fuel pumps, matched performance injectors, and reinforced fuel lines. These components ensure a consistent and adequate fuel supply, preventing lean conditions that can cause engine damage. Improved fuel atomization from advanced injectors also leads to more complete combustion, contributing to both power and efficiency. Any build pushing beyond 400 horsepower will likely exceed what stock fuel components can reliably deliver. Another common and highly effective upgrade is an electronic control unit, or ECU, remap. Automakers program ECUs with conservative settings to accommodate diverse climates, fuel grades, and emission standards globally. Remapping the ECU involves modifying this software to optimize parameters such as ignition timing, fuel-air mixtures, and boost pressure. This process can unlock substantial gains in horsepower and torque, often 20% to 30% in turbocharged engines, and provides a sharper, more responsive throttle. A well-tuned ECU not only adds power but also smooths its delivery, making the vehicle feel more alive and alert. Finally, enhancing the engine's breathing capabilities through an upgraded intake manifold provides significant benefits, particularly for high-revving and naturally aspirated engines, but also as a supporting modification for forced induction. Factory intake manifolds often feature restrictive designs, with rough surfaces and sharp edges that impede airflow. Upgrading to a high-performance manifold, or even porting a stock one, allows for increased airflow to the engine cylinders. This improved airflow leads to a better air-to-fuel ratio, resulting in increased horsepower, torque, and acceleration. Additionally, a better intake manifold can contribute to improved throttle response and overall engine efficiency. These engine modifications are not isolated improvements. They operate within a complex system where each upgrade can influence others. For example, the benefits of forced induction are maximized with appropriate intercooling and a capable fuel system. Similarly, ECU remapping ties these hardware upgrades together, allowing the engine to fully utilize the increased airflow and fuel delivery. The automotive enthusiast community actively embraces these changes. Social media platforms, dedicated YouTube channels, and car clubs serve to amplify awareness and share performance data, driving peer-driven demand for the latest and most effective upgrades. The desire to personalize and optimize a vehicle's performance creates a culture where remaining with a stock engine often means being left behind in terms of capability and driving experience. This ongoing evolution in engine tuning ensures that pushing the boundaries of vehicle performance remains a central aspect of automotive passion.